In this video, I'll show you how to import and place images into Quill. You can do this from either the timeline window or the simplified UI window here. To import a reference image, click this button here to create a new image layer. Then navigate to your image. In this case, I'm going to import a turnaround for a character. Once your image has been imported, you can move it with the Make This Layer Transform Object button. You can scale and move it the same way you'd scale and move any other layer. By holding down the left trigger and dragging while this is selected, you can make copies of this image. Or you can do this by hitting duplicate. You can use these images as is, or you can make them transparent as a guide. You can also import images with transparency, so long as they're PNGs. Notice how a speech bubble like this still has transparency and fall off from the gradient. These import references can be great both for reference images or as images within your scene, like speech bubbles, paintings, or graphics. By using the color picking hotkey, you can also color pick from your imported images.